What key factors do you consider when deciding to build a data team from scratch?
Yeah, that's such an important question. Why even have a data team to start with, right? Really, I would say that it's about what are the needs of the business. And clearly, even if the business decided to have a data team, it's because they want to measure whether it's their success, whether it's their product and its success, or how they're growing. There are many reasons why a data team is brought into being. And really, when you're starting from the ground up, you want to first understand what are the needs of the business that you're trying to solve. And best way to do that is to talk to everybody around, right? And then make your own priority list of what are the biggest things you think data can tackle to start with and have an impact with. And then that will help you map out 1 year and a 3 year roadmap of how, when you want to grow your team, what are the skills you need, right? For example, in some businesses, maybe you have a lot of data already being collected and people understand what is being collected, but they don't know how to convert it or transform it to insights, to actual summaries of people, stories of what's actually going on. In those cases, maybe you need more individuals who are engineers or analytic engineers who can help do that transformation and modeling of data. Or it could very well be that you actually have pretty well modeled data available, but you don't have analysts who can dive deep and tell you insights. Or maybe, and this has happened in one of my things as well, you have analysts and they're building beautiful dashboards. But what they can't do is they can't connect to make the whole data into a story which is understandable by your business or even your external stakeholders as the case may be. And so that helps you sort of carve out how you want to grow your team because you want to find the right individual which are equipped to answer specifically the questions that the business is asking. I find that starting out, obviously, slow growth is the way to go. You want to do it organically. At the same time, starting, you want to have one project attached to one person. And then, of course, it grows and builds from there. But giving one sort of subject matter and expertise to one person to start seems to be a formula that has worked in general.
Okay. And have you found it difficult to answer the problem? Because I guess a lot of businesses, there's multiple problems, isn't there? Businesses face. Is that a challenge that you? Because I guess, like you said, you want to do things. You want to obviously deliver quickly as possible, but you want to get answer the biggest problem first because that's going to be make the most impact. So is that an issue? Has that been a problem? Because especially start, you've got a million one things to do. So is that been a challenge for you?
I would say it's a challenge. Yes, there is a way to convert it to success though. I think it's about telling your business, hey, you have 5 problems. There is no chance you're going to solve all 5 all at once, right? Help me prioritize what is your number 1 and then what is your number 2. And maybe I can get to 80% of 1 and 50% of 2 in X time. And you work with your stakeholders to figure out really where you want. Bringing impact is absolutely essential. I will say it's a little bit different in data where nothing really ever ends, right? I can give you an answer and you'll say, wait, I want to know more. And then I give you that more and then you'll again want to know more and more. And so a smart leader will also be able to sort of figure out, hey, where is it that we pause on this? We've gone 80%, 90%, depends. And instead prioritize something that we haven't done even 10% of and come back to this when there's more